Hi, welcome to presentation on Hawkeye from Gadiel Technologies. Gadiel Hawkeye is a mobile app. To open the app, press the Gadiel Hawkeye icon on your mobile. This app can track the real-time location of a mobile device. Mobiles associated to a registered user only can be controlled and tracked by the user. Information gathered is stored for data analysis. Access is restricted to registered users. Enter access details, namely phone number and PIN, and press the login button. On successful validation, a list of mobiles controlled by the user is displayed on the registered mobiles page. Tracking status of each mobile is indicated. The status is tracker on for a mobile with a tracking schedule. It is tracker off if there is no schedule. To see the tracked real-time location for a mobile, short press on a name. For Dwayne, the track dates page lists the dates of tracking. Select a date, say May 8th, and press on it. Tracked locations page details the real-time locations tracked. To see the map, press on a tracked location. The location details are maintained for earlier dates, also based on the business need. Let us press on April 24th. From the listed locations, select one to check the map. Map of the location is brought up. For mobiles not currently tracked, that is, mobiles with tracker off status, real-time location for earlier days are also listed. To know how to schedule a tracking, get back to registered mobiles page using the back button. Select a mobile with a tracker off status. Long press on Madison. An empty tracking scheduler page is displayed. Use the time picker. Select the start time for tracking. Then from time picker, select the end time for tracking in a day. Tracking can be set for specific days of a week. This schedule can be repeated every week. Set the frequency of tracking and the time interval. On press of the start button, real-time location tracking for Madison will be done every 5 minutes between 2:57 a.m. and 3:57 a.m. on Mondays, Wednesdays and Thursdays of a week. This schedule will be repeated for every week. The status of this mobile will be turned to tracker on. Once again long press on Madison. The tracking scheduler page displays the current schedule. To terminate the schedule, press the stop button. When stopped, the status will turn to tracker off. Let us now add a new mobile under this user. Press the add button. Add mobile page opens. A key point to note is that a mobile can be registered for tracking only under one user. Enter the mandatory name and phone number. The mobile number will be the username to access this app. Press the add mobile. Mobile name Johnson is added to the registered mobiles with the tracker off status. Please schedule the tracking as discussed above. To remove a mobile, press delete button in the registered mobiles page. Delete mobile opens giving a list of mobiles which are not under tracking. Press on the mobile to be removed. Confirm delete prompt. The mobile is delisted and is not visible in the registered mobiles page. To log out of the application, use back button from registered mobiles page. Confirm logout. To register for this application, press the button I do not have account, register me on the login page. Provide your details on the register me page and we will contact you within 24 hours of registration. From the real-time location information track, we can generate BI reports. Workflows and data integrations using this data can improve the processes productivity and efficiency. These are provided on software as a service model and can be customized to meet the needs of the end user. Please contact us for any clarification and your suggestions. Thank you for your